Ah, screwed up. Huh.
Hey, how
you doing?
I'm Corporal Van with the Police Department.
Huh?
I'm Corporal Van with the Police Department. So we had a few ladies just come up to us and just said that they felt a little uncomfortable to take a picture with them without their consent.
Which ones?
A few of them just came up to us. You're not in trouble right now. I'm just letting you know that if you take a picture of a young lady, they'll rather you just with their consent and ask.
Okay.
They said they felt a little, I guess, a little creeped out from, I guess, taking pictures and stuff.
I see. But they're in a public.
They are in public. You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
That's true. That's true. But we just bring it to your attention. You're not in trouble, nothing like that. So I just want to let you know that a few females come and say they felt a little uncomfortable that I guess what they were having on and that you weren't asking for their picture.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
I see. Okay.
That's it. Okay.
That's all.
I know.
Okay.
Have a good. What's your name?
Interview's okay. Yeah. There's a reason I got this warning card as well. Prevent
What's that?
Actually, this is my YouTube channel, Ministry for Otaku.
Okay.
And this is the warning card I have, just in case. Venue security, law enforcement, potentially aggrieved persons, take notice. It's basically a warning card, basically saying that you have no right to privacy in public spaces. Now, if they were doing
right to what?
It basically says that
Can I take a picture of that?
Yeah, go ahead.
So I can read it.
Yeah, it's a warning card for people who are potentially aggrieved, because except in spaces where are especially private, like in private areas, like you're in a secluded area, there is no.
No, you're completely right. This is public.
Yes.
You're right. I'm just coming to let you know that I'm letting you know what some females come to us and say that they just felt uncomfortable.
I see.
If you taking pictures without their consent,
I see.
that's all I'm saying.
I see.
If you're not in trouble, I'm just letting you know what female. I'm just making it aware for you.
I see. That's all.
That's all.
Yeah, this is the Ministry. This actually work as it's actually my personal YouTube channel.
Okay. What's your YouTube? I mean your
YouTube channel is Ministry of Otaku.
You got Instagram too?
Yes, Instagram and Twitter.
Okay. Right.
I see.
Well, you good. Just have a good one, okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Please enter. Yeah. Please enter. Yes.